if I told you that you don't need a backyard or even a garden bed to grow enough vegetables to feed your entire family? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. The secret lies in the container. From balconies to patios and even sunny windows, your small space could be hiding the potential of a whole vegetable patch. But only if you know which ones to grow. So stay with me, because some of these crops are so productive it's almost suspicious. Tomatoes top the list, and for good reason. These container champions thrive with 5 to 6 hours of sun. And when you pick compact determinate varieties, they reward you with more fruit than you might believe possible. Give them a large pot and regular feeding, and they won't let you down. Beans are climbers and born for vertical growing. All they need is a trellis and sunlight, and they'll give you a green wall of pods in return. Plus, they fix their own nitrogen. How's that for self-sufficiency? Lettuce doesn't need depth, just space and moisture. Use a shallow, wide container, water regularly, and you'll have fresh greens ready for the picking in just a few weeks. Peppers and chilies love containers in full sun. The more you harvest, the more they produce. It's almost like they enjoy being picked. A perfect balance of beauty and yield. Radishes are shockingly quick. Sow the seeds and you'll see harvestable roots in under a month, ideal for impatient gardeners or suspiciously fast results. Asian greens are your go-to for shadier spots. With just a few hours of morning sun, they flourish fast and are ready to harvest repeatedly. Great for small space stir-fry lovers. Spinach is surprisingly container-friendly and grows well even on a windowsill. It's low maintenance, rich in nutrients, and keeps producing if you pick it right. Peas don't need much space, but they do love the sun. Dwarf or bush varieties do best in containers and give sweet pods through cooler months. Carrots only need depth, not much else. A loose, well-draining pot and cool temperatures will give you straight, flavorful roots in just a few weeks. Cucumbers in pots? Absolutely. Choose bush-type varieties, feed regularly, and give them support to climb. They'll reward you with crunchy fruit all summer. Eggplants love sun and nutrients. With a little fertilizer every few weeks, they'll grow heavy fruits in pots, and even look ornamental while doing it. Zucchini and summer squashes are deceptively productive. One plant can produce more than enough for your meals, and yes, they do well in containers too. Kale isn't picky. It grows in cool weather, tolerates heat, and thrives in containers. A few plants will give you greens for months. Cut and come again style. Chard is a heat-tolerant green that thrives where kale might struggle. Just 3 to 5 hours of sunlight is enough, and the colorful stems make your container garden pop. Mustard greens are bold in flavor and easy to grow. They love sunlight and grow fast, giving you leafy greens that spice up any dish. Garlic might be the easiest long-term container crop. Plant the cloves, give them space, and forget about them until the tops dry out. It's low effort, high reward. Rhubarb in pots is a long-term investment. Once established, it gives harvest after harvest of tart stalks. Great for pies, jams, and more. Bitter melon might be exotic, but it's surprisingly container happy. It climbs like cucumbers and squash and fruits generously in warm weather. Okra is a sun lover. Give it warmth, water, and fertilizer, and it produces pods almost endlessly. And the flowers, they're a bonus showpiece. Collard greens are a southern staple, and they grow well even in smaller pots. They're hardy, productive, and full of nutrients. Green onions are the easiest allium to grow in containers. They don't need much space and keep regrowing after harvest if you leave the roots intact. Potatoes in pots? Yes, and they thrive in grow bags or barrels. Just keep adding soil as they grow, and you'll be surprised at the harvest hiding below the surface. Beets are another double win crop, edible greens and roots. They're fast-growing and do well in containers with good drainage and light. Turnips are compact and cool season loving. Both their leaves and roots are edible, making them one of the most efficient crops for pots. Broccoli is a cool weather winner. In the right pot, it produces full heads and tasty side shoots. Choose fast maturing types and enjoy homegrown florets in no time. So, if you thought container gardening was limited, think again. These 25 vegetables prove you don't need land to grow a feast. If you found this list helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. We've got a lot more no-nonsense garden wisdom coming your way. See you in the next one.